Good morning, ma'am. My name is SHVAI KOCHAR. I study in class 30. For FIRELESS cooking competition, I will make delicious and tasty sweet corn bhel. For making this bhel, the ingredients we need are boiled sweet corn, carrot, tomato, capsicum, onion, chaat masala, black pepper, mix herbs, salt. We need some save and some mint leaf for garnishing. So let's start. First we need a mixing bowl. Then we will add some 1 cup of sweet corn. Then all vegetables. Then tomato. Then capsicum. Then onion. Then we have to mix it properly. Then some salt. Then chaat masala. Then black pepper. Then mix herbs. Then some lemon juice. Then we have to mix it properly. Sweet corn bhel is ready for serving. So let's serve. Then some save. Then some mint. And our sweet corn bhel is ready.